Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I've been out taking photos. The weather has finally gotten a little bit nicer. We're actually in a heat wave right now, so it actually kind of goes from one extreme to the other. Makes it a bit difficult to get out and take pictures because it was hot over the weekend. But I've been promising for ages on the channel. I have been going down to White Rock Beach for quite a while now, taking pictures. Obviously, you've been following the channel. A lot of my photos are from down in that area. So I finally was down there over the weekend when the tide was out. I've been talking about how the tide goes out for, I want to say miles, not miles, but it's pretty far out there. You can walk way along in the sand. And if you know the channel, I've been watching some of the pictures of the pier. The sand will actually, the tide goes right out almost to the end of the pier, so you can walk along. So in these photos, you can see a lot of the beach, see how far the tide goes out, a couple pictures of the pier. I hope you enjoy it. I was taking these using, as usual, the Fujifilm X100v, and the film simulation I used for this one, not a recipe, just the standard Provia film simulation that comes on the camera. These are all just JPEGs. A couple of them have been cropped a little bit. Other than that, just JPEGs straight out of the camera. Hope you enjoy. Well, there's a few in there that I liked. A couple of the pier with the reflection was my favorite one. Let me know what your favorite one is down in the comments below. It's always appreciated. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm going to be down actually in the beach going for a picnic this week with a friend. So take my camera, take some more pictures, hopefully get some new ones to share with the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.